Guru is very chilled and casual in his approach. When I worked with Darshan, I felt a lot of similarity between him and me in the ways we worked. I think Raftar, yeah, out of everyone, I think Raftar was the one who was like, we met at the studio and he was bang on, like there and then he cracked the whole thing.
तुलसी नया गाना आया है एंड आई थिंक आज वेरी एक्साइटिंगली हम सिर्फ गाने के बारे में बात करेंगे, लेकिन बहुत ही दर्द भरा गाना है तन्हाई। किसकी तन्हाई है, कौन सी तन्हाई और तन्हाई क्यों है, प्लीज आप बताइए।
Actually, Tanhai jo, which is my brand new single, it's not just about dard. It's about how to rise up from your loneliness. So if you go and see the video, you'll see that, definitely, it's a very soulful song in terms of lyrics. And when you hear it, it's in the pop rock genre. So there's a lot of, there's a use of guitars and, there's a lot of like a heavy duty arrangement going on. So it gives you like that pump, and it gives you that, it's a sad yet a motivational and an inspiring song, because especially we've shown that in the video, where when you go towards the end of the song, you see that how the girl has a realization that life is not just about going through a heartbreak and being all bogged down and giving up on things that you are blessed with. It's about when you go in the outside world and you see a lot of other people suffering a lot of other problems, yet they have a smile on their face. It just kind of inspires you. And then how she goes back to her passion and what she was doing. So there's a little bit of a message there, but I have this bent towards soulful and sad lyrics. मुझे personally एक connect लगता है उनके साथ, because we all go through a lot of situations in life, and pain is something that we all connect with. And Tanhai kind of justifies not just the pain, but also tells you how to rise up from your pain and your loneliness and your low phases.
Right. मतलब feels की बात करें तो the song is just crazy. People are listening it non-stop. जिस तरह के comments आपको आ रहे हैं, people are like कि हमारे earphones पक चुके होंगे.
So excited. Honestly, the kind of response that all of you guys and everyone who's watching this today is giving to Tanhai, I'm so overwhelmed, and I'm so happy that people are, going out there and giving it and showering it with a lot of love.
Right, but we also have to talk about ये बहुत ही rock solid team जिसको आप साथ में लेकर आए हो, जिसने इस पर आपके साथ काम किया, and we can see the marvel, right? Like whether it's lyrics which is done by Syed Quadri, or it's Parampara and Sachet, the music director, whether it's you. I mean, wow, how did this all come about?
I think the whole team wo banti gayi apne aap, because the idea was initiated by me somewhere around 5 months back, where I stay in Delhi, so I called up Sachit and Parampara, and I had this entire brief of the song ke college youth oriented, sad yet pop rock. So wo sare pointers, we kind of discussed over the phone, and Sachit and Parampara instantly, within 2 days, within 3 days, I think they got back with a little scratch of Tanhai. And the first time I heard it and made my team hear it, everyone just loved it. So I think, जब एक गाना बनना होता है, तो automatically the right people start joining hands. And that's what happened with Tanhai. And I know that, Syed Kadri ji, being such a legendary name, is part of this project. And it's my first collaboration with both Sachit Parampara and Syed Kadri ji. So that's also very interesting and an exciting, collab to come together. But I think the idea जो मैंने initiate किया, पूरी team, they kind of put it together and joined the dots, and we had the song ready.
Right, definitely the hottest single, but not just the song, the lyrics, the tune of it, but also your look. Like, people are commenting on your song saying we have this international pop diva that we were waiting for. I want to say, does Tulsi look at herself as a pop star, international pop diva, or does she look at herself as something else that the audience still hasn't seen?
No, actually, I have always been watching a lot of pop stuff. Internationally, we have the pop culture, which is the biggest. India, we're still catching up to that. But yeah, I think the way I dress up and the way I am, that's the way I am. But it's just that, you know, I've always come across as this girl next door because I've not done too many music videos. I have not
So
featured in
you
them.
are
I've
saying you're
sung a lot
actually
of.
not girl next door. You're actually this rock star that people are only getting to see you as.
Yeah, you have to actually see me perform on stage. So I'm a different person when I'm on stage. But
Yeah.
yeah, I mean, you won't see me with some odd piercing here and there. Like, but yeah, I have a tattoo now, so
What does
that's
that
one
say?
thing. It says TK and it's some musical notes. So we had this done specially for the song Tanhai because I was
Oh wow.
playing the rock star in that. And actually, when
Right.
I'm on stage, I am like that. You know, I have that kind of energy. But the kind of songs I have done in the
Yeah.
past, they are
Past.
very the sweet, melodious ones. So that's why people usually think that, you know, oh, she's like this very sweet. I am a very sweet person. But at the same time, when I go up on stage and I perform, I like that whole you know, the pop diva look around me. So I'm very particular about what I wear. And you know, I have my own say. Even in the video, Sneha Shetty has directed the video so beautifully. A huge shout out to her. And we kind of sat
Okay.
together for the looks of the video. There are about 8 to 9 looks in the whole song. So 5 मिनट
Mm-hmm.
के गाने में वो 9 looks हमने change की थी. And you know, even though you see it in flashes, but I had
Yeah.
a lot of fun, like even designing the whole look and feel of the video along with Sneha. So yeah.
Right. Superb, superb. Tanhai is fabulous. Lekin, so see, we've seen you also collaborate with a lot of male singers, and we were very, sort of keen. I mean, I was very curious to know that which is that male singer जिसके साथ काम कर आपको सबसे ज़्यादा मजा आता है. Like whether it's a Guru Randhawa or a Arijit or a Raftaar. I mean, you work with bunch of very, very different style of male singers, but सबसे ज़्यादा आपको किससे मजा आता है अगर
I
किसी के
think I
work
think
रही है?
everyone, you know, it'll be wrong for me to pick one name because in the recent past, of course, I've worked with Raftar, I've worked
Oh,
with even Darshan. It was amazing collaborating with him. Milan Gaba, I think for
right.
Naam,
Very
when the
recently,
whole
yeah.
Punjab team came together, that was also a lot of fun. I think every artist comes with you know, their own different styles and ways of working on a song. So I usually look at it as I get to learn a lot. Even with Guru, when I collaborated with him for Raat Kamal Hai,
Huh.
almost, yeah, it's been almost 2 years now. But after that, of course, we've done film songs. But collaborations on a single is more of, you know, you're more involved in the entire process.
That's
So you
more
get to
real you
learn
that
a
you
lot
bring.
from each other. Yeah, you get to learn a lot from each other's way of working. So it's been great, and I'm looking at doing more collaborations also in the near future.
Woohoo! But is there any quirks of any of these singers that made you went like, "Acha, okay, interesting."
You want me to reveal something?
Spill some beans.
यार सबका अपना स्टाइल होता है
हाँ
और
हाँ बताओ बताओ.
I think Guru is very chilled and casual in his approach. When I worked with Darshan, I felt a lot of similarity between him and me in the ways we worked. Milind again has his own set of things that he comes with. He's amazing when it comes to the. He also produces himself, so his understanding of the entire song is, you know, he's very connected because he also produced the song, like he's also produced the music. So yeah, I think सबके अपने unique points हैं.
So politically correct.
Quirky तो I think Raftar, yeah, out of everyone, I think Raftar was the one who was like, we met at the studio and he was bang on, like there and then he cracked the whole thing. So I think
Yeah.
he is very quick in what he does, और वो तो उनका नाम भी रफ्तार है.
Tare.
उनकी
So true
आवाज
to
में
his
भी एक
name.
रफ्तार है. When he does a rap, उसमें भी एक रफ्तार है. And when he comes in, you know, he came to the studio and we were working for Mera Highway Star. I think उनकी रफ्तार, नाम, काम, हर जगह रफ्तार ही रफ्तार है. So yeah, he had a different
Amazing.
element of his work style was completely different.
Yeah. तो से एज अ सिंगर लॉट ऑफ पीपल नो कि सुर और ताल की जो जानकारी है वो तो बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी होती है लेकिन उसके साथ साथ डिक्शन साफ होना भी बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी होता है एंड दैट इज आल्सो वेरी बिग पार्ट दैट यू गाइस हैव टू वर्क ऑन आपके डेली लाइफ में व्हाट इज इट दैट यू एवर हैड टू वर्क ऑन डिक्शन, और यू हैव एक्सरसाइजेस जो आप करती हैं, या फिर यू वाज जस्ट ब्लेस्ड विद इट?
सी डिक्शन में मतलब सबसे पहले तो हिंदी आपकी बहुत साफ होनी चाहिए, और हिंदी बचपन से मेरा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट रहा है। तो हिंदी में कुछ भी लिखना होता था, कोई भी एसेज लिखने होते थे, तो आई हैव अ ग्रेट कमांड ओवर हिंदी
द
पे मेरा
लैंग्वेज।
अच्छा, हाँ अच्छा कमांड है। और उसके अलावा उर्दू के कुछ लफ्ज आई थिंक सीखने बहुत जरूरी होते हैं सिंगर्स के लिए, स्पेशली जब वो नुक्ता आता है, किसी भी शब्द का के नीचे अगर नुक्ता आता है तो उसको सही तरीके से प्रोनाउंस करना एक गाने में बहुत ज्यादा
इनंसिएट करना।
जरूरी होता है। तो
राइट।
और एक और चीज जो मैंने हाल ही में जिसपे मैंने थोड़ा ध्यान दिया है, थोड़ा गौर किया है, वो है पंजाबी में जब आप कुछ गा रहे हैं तो नाम गाने में हार्डकोर पंजाबी नहीं है, पर जितना भी है वो ऐता ना कर सोनिया अल्लाह तो डर सोनिया, तो जितने भी वो पंजाबी के जो करेक्ट वे है, आई रिमेम्बर मैं मिलन को और जानी पाजी को मैं फोन करके बोला था कि मैंने डब किया है, आप लोग सुन के बताओ कि कहीं पे lyrically you have to sound very correct, every word
राइट।
has to go out very correct, especially हिंदी नहीं है अगर पंजाबी है तो पंजाबी का एक वो बोलने का एक तरीका होता है।
लहजा
तो
होता है, हाँ।
बिल्कुल, एंड मैं वैसे पंजाबी, आई एम अ पंजाबी कुड़ी, तो मैंने पंजाबी भी आंदी है, बट बहुत ज्यादा फ्लुएंट नहीं हूँ, बट आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू do a little bit of learning, and for me speaking the words correctly in a song, like the lyrics are very very important to do justice
या
to it while you're rendering a
आई मीन
song.
बहुत ही मीठी लैंग्वेज है पंजाबी, लेकिन लाइक हमारे घर में भी बहुत पंजाबी बोली जाती है, बट आई एम दिस ऑड वन आउट जिसको
सानू
समझ
नहीं
में
आंदी,
आती है बट बोला सन्नू नहीं आती।
नहीं आंदी बोलनी।
थोड़ी 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 आंदी है।
I like that आंदी, yeah. That's
थोड़ी थोड़ी, बट फिर कब मुझे वहां से जुत्ती उड़ती हुई मेरे पर आ जाए कि ये क्या कर रही है, खराब मत कर लैंग्वेज, इससे अच्छा मत ही बोल। But it's really nice when you get into the feel of it. But I think मतलब I have already missed the boat. It's long due now. अगर हम बहुत ही amazing गानों की बात करें, then हमें तन्हाई भी सुन लेना चाहिए. And if I may, can I
definitely.
put that request here?
Yes, I'll hum a few lines for you. I'm sorry, but I don't have my instrument with me right now, but I'll just hum it just
Yes.
for you
Yes.
guys.
Yay.
टूटा है बहुत ये दिल मेरा, आंसू है बड़ी तन्हाई है, जब से तेरी बाहों में हमें आने की हुई मनाई है। आई थिंक बाकी का गाना आप लोगों को ट्यून इन करना चाहिए। y'all are giving it so much love, but this is a song that y'all should go and tune into and play for everyone around you as well. तन्हाई है, but it ends with positivity.